Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to mode ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click on the sounds and vibrations section. Here we got the volume section. Just to mode ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. But also we got the second way how we can do that. But first be sure that the volume button control, so this switcher is turned off to use the volume buttons here on the right side of your phone to change the ringtone, not the medias. And now by press your down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone. And also we got the third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just by swipe this volume panel to the down with your finger just manually. You can also mute the ringtone volume of your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.